In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the text tool in Photoshop CC to create a colorful text effect. If you're excited to add a splash of creativity to your text designs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or have been using Photoshop for years. The steps we'll go through today are simple and straightforward, so anyone can follow along. Once Photoshop is open, you'll want to start by creating a new canvas. To do this, head over to the File menu, which you'll find at the top left of your screen. Click on New, and you'll be prompted with a dialog box where you can choose your canvas dimensions. For this tutorial, a standard size like 800 by 600 pixels will suffice, but feel free to adjust the size according to your project needs. With your blank canvas up and ready, let's move on to the main event, adding text. You'll need to locate the text tool, often represented by a T icon on the left side toolbar. Click on this icon, then click anywhere on your blank canvas to start typing. This action will create a new text layer, which we section off separately from the background for easy editing later on. It's helpful to look on the right side of your screen to see the Layers panel, where all these layers are organized. Now go ahead and type the text you want to use. It could be your name, a motivational quote, or any other word or phrase you fancy. It's advisable to rename this layer for easy identification, especially in larger projects. Just double-click the text layer name in the Layers panel and type in whatever new name suits your style. With your text layer ready, it's time to get creative with effects. Double-click on the text layer to open the Layer Style dialog box. Once you're there, you have a variety of options to enhance your text. Try adding a stroke for a bold outline or a drop shadow to give it depth and dimension. You could also experiment with bevel and emboss for a more 3D appearance. Play around with combining different settings from blending options to achieve the look you envision. Once satisfied with your creative text effects, it's essential to save your work. Navigate to File and then select Save As. Make sure to choose a PSD format if you plan on making future edits, or save it as a JPEG or PNG if you're ready to publish or use it directly. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, colorful text effect in Photoshop CC. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different settings and projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more creative inspiration.